Hey, if you want to use Snipping Tool on your Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the Start in the taskbar, and then from the search, just input Snipping Tool phrase. And now you can simply open it. But if for some reason you don't have this application on your Windows 11, you will have to open the Microsoft Store. Now at the top, you can find search bar and also input Snipping phrase. From here, we can actually install the Snipping Tool. So if you don't have it, just click to install. And now when we open it, let me show you how we can actually capture the screen or record screen. So we can actually open it by using this few clicks from the start, but also we can use this shortcut with the Windows logo key, Shift and S. So it looks like this. Click and hold the Windows key, Shift and the S on your keyboard, and you will open your Snipping Tool. And right now you can actually select two shapes. And now if you want to select something like, for example, the whole screen, you will have to go into the left upper corner, click and hold with the left mouse button, and then drag to the right bottom corner. Now your screenshot was saved into the screenshots folder. But also we can capture the different shapes. So you can draw something on the screen. Also, you can capture the window mode. Now when you click with the left mouse button, when you actually click on this icon and then click with the left mouse button, you will take also the whole screenshot. And when you open the Snipping Tool, we can also find option to record the screen. So now when I click on it and select the part of the screen, for example this one, I will start recording. After the 3 seconds countdown, right now the screen is recorded in this selected arena. Still, we can use our microphone, so we can mute or unmute microphone. And when you click on this icon, you can also mute or unmute the system audio sounds. From here, we can pause or simply finish this record. And from here, we've got the preview, how it looks, our microphone. And if you want to save this file, you will have to click on this icon in the right upper corner and pick the destination. So we can get it, for example, in the downloads, documents, or your desktop. From here, we can also change the name, and that's only one type, MP4, and that's how it looks. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.